Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car interior cleaners that'll bring that showroom feel right back. A great interior cleaner isn't just about looks. It protects your dashboard, seats, and trim from cracking and fading over time. I've tested dozens of formulas, from gentle wipes to heavy-duty sprays, and these are the ones that actually deliver. And trust me, you'll want to see this. We're talking streak-free shine, UV protection, and scents that make your car smell brand new. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Turtle Wax. Turtle Wax is the perfect solution for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who want to achieve a professional quality shine at home with minimal effort. Featuring advanced polymer technology, this premium formula bonds directly to your vehicle's paint to create a durable, protective layer that repels water, dirt, and harmful UV rays. Made from high-quality wax and synthetic sealants, it delivers a deep, mirror-like gloss that enhances your car's color and finish. Its easy application process ensures a smooth, streak-free result every time, saving you hours of tedious work without sacrificing performance. Whether you are preparing for a car show or simply maintaining your daily driver, Turtle Wax provides superior protection and a stunning showroom appearance. Adams Polishes. Adams Polishes is the ultimate solution for car enthusiasts and detailers who demand showroom-quality results with every use. Featuring a complete system of premium car care products, from advanced ceramic coatings and high-performance waxes to specialized spray sealants and interior cleaners, this brand delivers unparalleled protection and shine. Made from carefully selected, pH-balanced ingredients, every formulation is designed to safely remove dirt, swirl marks, and contaminants without damaging your vehicle's paint. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a professional detailer, Adams Polishes provides the tools and chemicals needed to achieve a flawless, mirror-like finish. Its user-friendly application process saves time while offering long-lasting durability against the elements. Lightweight spray bottles and ergonomic applicators make the entire routine effortless and efficient. Griot's Garage. The Griot's Garage Complete Car Care Kit is perfect for automotive enthusiasts who demand show-quality results from a single, streamlined collection. Featuring a premium microfiber wash mitt and a high-lather car wash concentrate, this kit safely lifts dirt away without scratching your paint. Equipped with their renowned Best of Show Wax, it delivers a deep, wet luster shine that protects your vehicle for months. Made from high-quality materials, each tool is designed for durability and gentle paint contact. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a dedicated detailer, this kit simplifies the entire process from wash to wax. Its compact, organized packaging ensures your garage stays tidy while keeping essentials at your fingertips. Armor All. Armor All is the perfect solution for drivers who want to restore their vehicle's interior and exterior to a showroom-quality shine with minimal effort. Featuring a powerful formula that cleans, protects, and revitalizes surfaces, it effortlessly removes dust, grime, and UV damage from dashboards, tires, and trim. Made from advanced polymers, it creates a protective barrier that guards against cracking and fading caused by harsh sunlight, ensuring long-lasting durability and a sleek, non-greasy finish. Its versatile application works on plastic, vinyl, and rubber, making it an essential tool for any car care routine. Whether you are detailing for a weekend cruise or simply maintaining daily value, Armor All combines convenience with superior performance, making it a must-have for every proud car owner seeking professional-grade results without the hassle. Meguiar's. Meguiar's is perfect for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who demand a showroom-quality shine with professional-grade results. Featuring advanced microfiber technology, this premium formula safely lifts and traps dirt without scratching delicate paint surfaces. Made from a proprietary blend of high-lubricity polymers, it delivers a deep, wet gloss while providing durable protection against environmental contaminants. Its easy wipe-on, wipe-off application saves time and effort, making detailing accessible for anyone. Whether you are maintaining a daily driver or prepping a classic car for a show, Meguiar's ensures a flawless, streak-free finish every time. Lightweight and versatile, this product works on clear coats, glass, and chrome without leaving residue. Armor All. Armor All is the perfect solution for drivers who want to restore and protect their vehicle's interior and exterior surfaces with professional-grade results. Featuring advanced UV protectants and a deep cleaning formula, This product shields dashboards, vinyl, and tires from harmful sun damage and cracking while delivering a brilliant, like new shine. Made from a non-greasy, low-sheen blend, it effortlessly removes dust and grime without leaving a sticky residue, ensuring a sleek and safe finish for every surface. Its lightweight spray application allows for quick, even coverage, making maintenance fast and mess-free. Whether you are detailing your car for a weekend show or simply preserving its value, Armor All combines unbeatable protection with lasting beauty, making it an essential addition to any vehicle care routine. Meguiar's G16216. The Meguiar's G16216 is the perfect solution for car enthusiasts who demand a pristine, swirl-free finish on their vehicle's paintwork. Featuring premium microfiber technology, this wash mitt is designed to gently lift and trap dirt away from the surface, preventing scratches during every wash. Made from a plush, thick material, it holds an exceptional amount of water and soap, creating a luxurious, lubricated cleaning experience that reduces friction. Its soft, non-abrasive fibers are safe for all paint types, including clear coats, ensuring a high-gloss shine without damage. Whether you are performing a quick maintenance wash or a deep detail, the Meguiar's G16216 delivers superior performance and lasting durability. Essential for any serious detailer, it transforms your car care routine into a professional-grade experience. P&S Professional Detail Products. P&S Professional Detail Products are perfect for auto enthusiasts and detailing professionals who demand exceptional results for their vehicles. Featuring advanced chemical formulations, these products deliver superior cleaning power while remaining safe on all surfaces, including paint, glass, and trim. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly ingredients, they effectively break down grime, road film, and stubborn contaminants without harsh residues. Whether you are preparing for a concours event or maintaining a daily driver, these solutions provide consistent, streak-free finishes that enhance your vehicle's appearance. Their balanced pH ensures gentle yet thorough action, preserving waxes and sealants for lasting protection. Compact and concentrated, each product offers excellent value by requiring minimal product per application. Chemical Guys. The Chemical Guys product line is perfect for car enthusiasts and detailers who demand showroom-quality results from their car care routine. Featuring advanced formulations and premium-grade ingredients, these products deliver superior cleaning power, deep gloss, and long-lasting protection for every vehicle surface. Made from pH-balanced, eco-friendly solutions, the entire lineup is safe for paint, glass, chrome, and trim, ensuring a flawless finish without harsh chemicals. Whether you are removing stubborn dirt, restoring faded plastics, or applying a ceramic coating, Chemical Guys provides professional-grade performance that saves time and effort. The ergonomic spray bottles and easy-to-follow instructions make application simple for beginners and experts alike. Compact and versatile, these products fit any garage or detailing kit perfectly. PULIDIKI. The PULIDIKI is perfect for anyone seeking a stylish and functional way to organize their daily essentials. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design, this versatile accessory combines a premium card holder with a secure phone grip, eliminating the need for a bulky wallet. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it offers a soft-touch finish that feels comfortable in hand while protecting your cards from wear and tear. Equipped with a strong adhesive backing, the PULIDIKI attaches effortlessly to most phone cases and surfaces, keeping your ID, credit cards, and cash within easy reach. Its compact and lightweight build ensures it adds no extra bulk to your pocket or bag,